Hello everyone, today I will introduce Toyo software to scan groups by keywords and software to automatically comment to groups. First, the software scans for groups by keyword. You just need to enter the keyword you want to scan. And the number of groups. This is the result of the software returning the following information: UID, group name, group type, public or private, a number of members of that group. Then you export the scan file to Excel. And next is MKT Care software that helps you nurture and manage an unlimited number of Facebook accounts to comment to groups. Next, you select the UID list that you have scanned from the MKT ID software. You select the group comment feature, then select the content you want to comment. After pasting the UID list into the software, you just need to click on the Start button, and the software will automatically comment for you to thousands of automatic groups. The software is opening Facebook accounts at the same time to comment to groups to help you save time and costs of hiring marketing staff to reach. After opening Facebook accounts and performing automatic commenting, the software will automatically export a report link for you to check. Customers, if you are interested, please message me via Telegram.